So my advice for anybody considering a career in teaching is that it is hard work to start with, but don't let that hard work put you off. When it becomes really difficult, take a moment to reflect, remind yourself why you wanted to be a teacher to begin with. Reflect also on the impact of what you're doing. Take time out and think, well, why am I doing this? And if the answer is, I don't actually know, there's no impact, so should you really be doing it? That's number one. Number two, I think it's really important to surround yourself with positive wizards. Very often you can get drawn into people and take on board their opinions, and don't do that. Look for the positive wizards in the room, draw yourself to them, because you can learn so much from them, share from them, and grow from them. Three, I would say collaboration is key. Don't be afraid to ask for help. And there will be times where you'll need it, you'll need support, you'll need guidance, and go out there and ask for it, because we were all NQTs once. We can remember what it felt like, and we are there to help you. I also think collaboration with pupils, it's about relationships, isn't it? So for me, relationships with staff, relationship with colleagues, relationships with your pupils is really important, building those relationships, especially to begin with. And I would say, to finish off really, it is hard work, but it is also very, very rewarding. And I can honestly say after 15 years of being a teacher, I still absolutely love my job.